the freezing mountains of Tira Valley. Children cling to their mothers and entire families flee a conflict they don't understand. Forced in the cold with nothing but fear and with just the clothes on their back. We travel under tight security to an area where hundreds of vehicles were on the move, with entire families on board. Make a beeline on this meandering road out of Tira, already exposed to the cold, and long waits sometimes lasting over 48 hours. Some children have succumbed to the weather.
We were forced to leave our homes in this bitter cold. Our children, women, and elderly are suffering while waiting for days and nights in long queues under open skies without food or shelter. There is no support from the government.
Tira in Khyber district is situated high up in the Hindu Kush mountains, bordering Afghanistan. The military says this valley has become a sanctuary for Pakistani Taliban fighters, who now control parts of the valley. However, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa provincial government, which is responsible for maintaining law and order in this area, is not endorsing the military stance.
We are not in favour of another military operation because past operations have failed to deliver peace. Their failure is evident today as people are once again being displaced in extreme winter conditions.
Heavy snowfall has already made things difficult as ordinary vehicles cannot negotiate the conditions. These are some of the lucky ones who made it in the nick of time. To make matters worse, many transporters are reluctant to make the perilous journey and are asking for exorbitant prices many can ill afford. Most of the people here are poor and had little time to pack their essentials. Although they were promised compensation, many complain they have received no help. The evacuation order could not have come at a worse time. It's peak winter and it's snowing in the mountains. Families are on the move with whatever little they could salvage. The people here are not just at the mercy of rough weather, but also worried about an uncertain future. It's not the first time these people have been forced to move, and many fear it may not be the last.